Hebohkan dengan kabar duka pelecehan seksual
Permendikbud nomor 3 kekerasan
Investigasi laporan dugaan
dengan kementerian terkait yang mewujudkan
Kami tidak bisa
pencegahan
menayangkan
kekerasan
secara
seksual
utuh
di-
pengakuan.
Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Tashikirana. I'm from 12 Science 3. Now, today, I'll be discussing about the issue of sexual harassment that has been happening everywhere. Sexual harassment is a serious issue that continues to affect our society. My opinion is clear. Sexual harassment is unacceptable behavior in all its forms and must be vigorously eradicated. It is a human rights violation that harms, traumatizes, and emotionally, physically, and psychologically disturb the victims. Sexual harassment can occur in the various contexts, including in the workplace, in a personal relationship, in a public space, and in online forms. Regardless of its forms, sexual harassment is a form of gender inequality that reinforces unjust power structures. It is a form of oppression that often leaves victims feeling ashamed, afraid, and also isolated. We also need to eliminate the culture that perpetuates sexual harassment. This including avoiding justifying or trivializing acts of harassment in comments, jokes, or on a social media. Everyone should play a part in creating a safe environment that respects the rights of individuals regardless of their gender, age, or background. It is important to recognize that sexual harassment is not just a problem for the victims, but also a problem of the behavior of the perpetrators. Often, the perpetrators of sexual harassment are responsible for their action and must face the consequences. Appropriate legal measures should be taken to hold the perpetrators accountable for their action. Furthermore, comprehensive education about sexual harassment and effective prevention efforts are crucial. Education should start early so that the next generation has a better understanding of what constitutes appropriate behavior and constitutes sexual harassment. This will help change the culture that allows sexual harassment to occur. Sexual harassment is a deeply troubling issue with significant and far-reaching impacts, not only the victims, but also on a society as a whole. Here are some of opinions on the impact of sexual harassment. First, emotional damage. Sexual harassment can cause serious emotional damage to the victims. They often experience feelings of shame, stress, anxiety, and depression. These impacts can last long term, even throughout a victim's lifetime. Psychological trauma. Victims of sexual harassment often experience deep physiological trauma. This can disrupt their physiological functioning, including sleep disturbances, eating disorder, and post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. Number 3. Physical health effects. Some victims may experience physical effects, including physical injuries resulting from the harassment. The impact of sexual harassment can also negatively affect their overall health. Number 4. Interpersonal relationship disruption. Sexual harassment can damage personal relationships for victims. They may struggle to trust others or have healthy relationships due to the traumatic experience they have endured. Number 5. Gender inequality. Sexual harassment is a manifestation of persistent gender inequality in society. It reinforces unjust power structures and hinders women and others from reaching full potential. Number 6. Loss of productivity. Sexual harassment can disturb productivity in the workplace and daily life. Victims may have difficulty concentrating and work effectively due to the psychological effect they experience. Number 7. Unsafe society. Sexual harassment creates an unsafe environment for individuals. It can impede personal freedom and erode trust in society. Number 8. Stigma and shame. Often, victims of sexual harassment face stigma and feel ashamed to report such actions. This can prevent them from seeking the help they need. Number 9. Cycle of abuse. Victims of sexual harassment are at a higher risk of becoming victims again in the future. This creates a cycle that is difficult to break. And number 10, the last, societal impact. The impact of sexual harassment extends beyond individuals' victims. It affects social relationships, community well-being, and societal norms as a whole. Addressing sexual harassment is our collective responsibility as a society. We need to raise awareness about its impacts, support victims, and work to prevent it so that we can create a safer, more just, and equitable society. We all have a responsibility to address the issue of sexual harassment in families, in the workplace, in the communities, and throughout society. We must stand together to support victims, promote prevention, and take action against perpetrators. Only throughout cooperation and strong awareness can we combat sexual harassment and create a safer and more equal world for everyone. Once again, sexual harassment is a deep and complex issue, but we must unite in our efforts to address and prevent it. Everyone has a right to live without fear and treat out sexual harassment, and we all have duty to protect those rights. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.